So, quick update on pannier pins. I just got back from a little 100-mile spin on the bike. The pins were fine. I checked them before I left. And as you can see, checking them when I got back, washing the bike. This one's making its way out. This one, totally gone. Bugger. Checking the other pannier. Again, this one's making its way out. This one, totally gone. Bugger. I guess it's a phone call to the dealer in the morning and hope they treat this as a warranty issue rather than trying to charge me for new hinge pins. So, as a summary from my previous video, if your pins are starting to work loose, I suggest you check them every single time you stop.